Hello guys, welcome to my channel Swati Pharmagnan. Today's topic is SAR of quinolones. This SAR of quinolones is very important in urinary tract anti-infective agents. The first point under SAR of quinolones is 1,4 dihydro 4-oxopyridine 3 carboxylic acid is essential for antibacterial activity. 1,4 dihydro means this is first position and fourth position dihydro 4-oxo. Fourth position oxo group is present and 3 carboxylic acid COOH group is compulsory for all the quinolone derivatives, which is essential for showing the antibacterial activity. Next is pyridones should be fused with the aromatic ring for showing the antibacterial activity. This is pyridone ring means pyridine ring, 6-membered ring containing one nitrogen, and it contains a one ketone group at fourth position. That's why we are calling it as pyridone ring. This should be fused with the aromatic ring for showing its better biological activity. That is the second point. So this is the basic nucleus which will be present in the quinolones. Next position is isosteric replacements of nitrogen for carbon atoms at position 2 are called as sinolines. Position 5 are called as 1,5 naphthyridines. Position 6 are called as 1,6 naphthyridines. Position 8 are called as 1,8 naphthyridines are consistent with retained antibacterial activity. Isosteric replacements of nitrogen for carbon atom means at the same position the carbon is replaced with the nitrogen. So that is called isosteric replacement of nitrogen for carbon atoms. At second position we can replace, this is the second position. At fifth position we can replace, this is fifth position, and at sixth position we can replace, this one is sixth, and at eighth position we can do the isosteric replacement with the nitrogen for in carbon atoms. Out of all these isosteric replacements, few are active and few are not active, or few will show the better activity and few will not. Few replacements will show the 0% activity. So 1,7 naphthyridines means at 7th position we cannot do any isosteric replacement. At third position, this is the third position, at this position we cannot do any replacements. If we'll do also, they are completely not active. So 1,7 naphthyridines and 1,3 naphthyridines are not active compounds. 1,2 naphthyridines also called as sinolines. This is the example under sinoline derivatives. The structure of sinoxazine are showing better activity. So at second position the carbon has been at the second position. This is second position. Here carbon is present. We have replaced with the nitrogen. That is isosteric replacement of carbon with nitrogen. So here this is called as 1,2 naphthyridines. These compounds are showing better antibacterial activity. Next one is 1,5 naphthyridines have isosteric substitution of carbon with nitrogen at fifth position. This is first position, second, third and fourth position, fifth position. At fifth position, if we have done the isosteric replacement of nitrogen in the place of carbon, then it will show the uh, good activity but not better activity compared to other naphthyridines. This is 1,5 naphthyridines example. Next is 1,8 naphthyridines which will show the better activity compared to other naphthyridines. Example is nalidixic acid. Nalidixic acid is one of the best antibacterial drug which will be used in the treatment of urinary tract infections. 1,8 at 8th position, first position, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. At eighth position, the carbon is replaced with the nitrogen. This is 1,8 naphthyridines, which will show the better activity compared to other naphthyridines. This is a structure of nalidixic acid, which will show better activity. Next is introduction of substituents at position 2 greatly abolishes the activity. If we want to introduce any substituents or any functional groups at second position, then it will greatly abolishes the antibacterial activity. Introduction of substituents at position 5, 6, 7, especially at 8 of annihilated ring will result in compounds with good activity. If we are introducing any substituents at 5th position, this is 5th position, 6th position and at 7th position and especially at 8th position of this ring, means which is a fused ring with the pyridine, or pyridone will result in compounds with good activity. But at second position, if we'll substitute any functional groups or any compounds, that will greatly abolishes the antibacterial activity. Normally at seventh position, piperazine means saturated pyrazine structure will is common. At seventh position, the saturated pyrazine ring will be attached. Saturated pyrazine means six membered ring with two nitrogens, that is called as piperazine structure. This structure is common at seventh position. 3-amino pyrrolidinyl means a saturated pyrrole. Saturated pyrrole ring, also called as pyrrolidine ring, which contains a amino group at third position. That substituent at seventh position will also enhance the quinoline class of drugs against one particular microorganism, that is Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Example is enoxacin. This is the structure of enoxacin, which is having the piperazine structure, or if any other compound which contains the 3-amino pyrrolidine structure at seventh position, it will show the active class of quinoline drug against Pseudomonas aeruginosa microorganism. This is example of enoxacin. Next is fluorine atom substitution at position 6. This is position 6. Fluorine atom substitution at position 6 also significantly enhances the antibacterial activity. If fluorine is substituted at 6th position, it will increase the antibacterial activity. Alkyl substitution at position 1. First position, if any alkyl substitution is there, that is also essential for the antibacterial activity. Particularly this alkyl substitution with, should be lower alkyl groups like methyl group or ethyl group or cyclopropyl group should be attached at first position, and these groups containing compounds have progressively greater potency. Example is ciprofloxacin. Ciprofloxacin is structure is this. This one is the ciprofloxacin structure. It contains cyclopropyl group, which is a lower alkyl group present at first position. Next point under SAR of quinolones is, if we have aryl substitution at position 1 is also consisting with the antibacterial activity with 2,4 difluoro groups produces optimum activity. If any aryl substitution is present at the first position, then it should contain second and fourth position. It should contain fluoro groups. Difluoro groups should be present at the first position containing aryl substitution. Then only it will show the optimum antibacterial activity. Ring condensation compounds are also active. Two ring condensation compounds are there. One is enoxacin structure and another one is ofloxacin. In enoxacin, there is a condensation at this position, that is between the 6th and 7th position. That's why we'll call it as 6-7 fusion or 6-7 condensation in enoxacin. Ofloxacin contains 1,8 condensation. This is 1,8 condensation present in ofloxacin structure. Next point under SAR is 6 fluoroquinolones having basic moieties like 1 piperidino, 3 amino, while 1 pyrrolidino or similar basic moiety at the 7th position will have some CNS effects such as irritability, tremors, sleep disorders, vertigo, anxiety, agitation and convulsions, etc. 6 fluoroquinolones drugs are there, and they have basic moieties like piperidine ring or 3-amino pyrrolidine ring or pyrrolidine ring or any other basic moieties like these structures at 7th position. Then they will show some CNS effects in the patient after administration of the drug. This CNS effects like irritability, tremors, sleep disorders, vertigo will be there, anxiety, agitation and convulsions can be observed in the patient. Example under this CNS effects showing drug is ofloxacin. The structure of ofloxacin is 1,8 condensation. It contains amino basic moiety is present, and it is a piperazine ring. To this piperazine ring, amino methyl group is present. So this ofloxacin is mostly showing the CNS effects. Next is quinolones possessing additional halogen atom at 8th position shows along with the CNS effects, they also exhibit phototoxicity. If two fluorine atoms are present at 6th position and 8th position, then they will show CNS effects and also phototoxicity. Means if the patient after administration of this drug containing fluoroatom at 8th position and 6th position, then he cannot expose it to the sunlight. If he is exposing to the sunlight, he will be able to fear or he don't want to expose to the sunlight. That is nothing but phototoxicity. One more fluorine atom at 8th position causes sensitive towards photolight. Example is lomifloxacin. So this is structure of lomifloxacin, which contains one more fluorine atom at 8th position, and it will show the patient sensitive towards the photolight. The last point under SAR of quinolones is quinolone derivatives having an amino group or methoxy group either at 5th or 8th position will have lowest incidence of photolight. If amino group is present at 5th position or at 8th position, then the person will not show the phototoxicity. If he is showing the phototoxicity also, it will be very lowest incidence. Example under this point is sparfloxacin. Sparfloxacin contains amino group at 5th position. Thank you all.